Two brothers of Hatti tribe tied the knot to a woman in Silai village of Himachal Pradesh, with hundreds of people witnessing the marriage solemnized under the anachronistic tradition of polyandry. Bride Sunita Chauhan and grooms Pradeep and Kopil Negi said they took the decision without any pressure. Local folk songs and dances added color to the ceremony that began on July 12 and lasted for 3 days in the Transgiri area of Sirmaur district. Videos of the wedding ceremony have gone viral on the internet. Revenue laws of Himachal Pradesh recognize this tradition and named it Jodi Dara. In Badhana village in Transgiri, 5 such marriages have taken place in the past 6 years. We followed the tradition publicly as we are proud of it and it was a joint decision, said Pradeep. Kopil said he may live abroad, but through this marriage, we are ensuring support, stability, and love for our wife as a united family. We have always believed in transparency, he added. Hatti is a closed-knit community in the Himachal Pradesh-Uttarakhand border and was declared as scheduled tribe 3 years ago. In this tribe, polyandry was in a vogue for centuries, but due to rising literacy among women and economic uplift of communities in the region, cases of polyandry were not reported.